We are following some breaking news for you. State officials say possible cases of the coronavirus are spreading in South Carolina. DHEC just announcing this afternoon it now has 4 more presumptive positive results. 3 of those people are in Camden, the 4th here in Spartanburg County. 7 News' Melanie Palmer joins us outside of an upstate company that confirms one of their employees is now being self-isolated.
The CEO of Retrauma, that's the building right here behind me in Spartanburg County, has confirmed with 7 News that one of his employees is included in this new cluster of possible cases here in South Carolina. He says that man just recently returned from a trip to Italy.
DHEC received presumptive positive results for 4 additional people who were tested for the novel coronavirus COVID-19.
In less than 48 hours, 4 more presumptive cases of the coronavirus in South Carolina. Officials with DHEC announced Friday 2 possible cases in Charleston and Kershaw counties, but now they've trickled further.
2 of these 4 new cases are direct contacts, meaning close face-to-face contact with the elderly woman from Camden who was announced as a presumptive positive.
And even further, with health officials wondering how the 3rd Camden case contracted the virus.
We now have indication of community spread in Camden.
And that's not all. A Spartanburg County man is also on that list. We talked with the CEO of the company that man works for, Retrauma. He tells us other employees who have been in contact with him are under self-quarantine for the time being. Did he have contact with a large group of people, or was he back at work in the meantime when he returned from Italy?
We're continuing to investigate his contacts, and we don't have that information.
And even though the state is now dealing with 6 presumptive cases, health officials are still saying there is no need for additional precautions right now.
Our key recommendations at this time are to stay home from work or school and avoid public gatherings to protect others in the community if you are sick.
Now, the CEO here couldn't talk with us on camera because he says he's self-quarantined right now since he has had close contact with this person. But he does tell us that his employee came back from Italy through the Charlotte airport last Monday and started showing symptoms later on in the week. Now, in the meantime, he says they will be sanitizing this entire facility. On top of that, he says they're banning any in-person meetings in the near future. In Spartanburg County, Melanie Palmer, 7 News.
Now, the results from the first cases have not yet been confirmed with the CDC. That can take up to 48 hours. 3 of the 4 new cases are isolated at home, and only 1 in that cluster is still in the hospital. The same goes for the elderly woman out of Camden.